online class. As we are taking the benign tumors, the last time we took lipoma and then fibromas, and today we are talking about neurofibromas. So today we will talk on this topic, neurofibromas. Although they are benign tumor, but later on these tumors become very dangerous because that compresses the spinal cord and the spinal nerves. So later on the complications are very dangerous because it affects the cranial and spinal nerves. So there could be paralysis also. So neurofibromas are the benign tumors which arises from the connective tissue of nerve sheath. And clinically you will observe a fusiform swelling along the distribution of the nerve fibers or along the direction of nerve fibers. You will find a fusiform swelling. It could be round or oval swelling, and the swelling could be firm or hard in consistency or could be soft. So neurofibromas are the type of benign tumor which origin or arise from the connective tissue of nerve sheath, and the swellings are usually fusiform along the direction of nerve fibers. Now what are the clinical features? This neurofibromas could be tender or non-tender. There is tingling sensation, numbness, paresthesis. Then these are round or oval swellings with a smooth surface, round borders, and the swelling will move along the right angle to the direction of nerve fibers. And because these are the subcutaneous swelling, so skin will get lift up. And consistency of the neurofibromas could be hard or firm or soft. So these were the clinical manifestations. There is sensation of numbness, tingling and paresthesis. Then when you will examine the nodes or this neurofibroma tumors, this will be present as a tender or non-tender. In consistency, this could be firm, soft or hard, and there will be smooth surface with round borders, and skin will get uplift because these are subcutaneous benign tumor. So now we will talk about the types of neurofibroma. First we will discuss the sites where this neurofibroma occurs. So they occur actually along the distribution of these three nerves: peripheral nerve. So peripheral nerve, basically the nerves which are involved are vagus nerve, cutaneous nerve, ulnar nerve. So these are the peripheral nerves which get involved. Then peripheral nerve के अलावा the spinal nerves. So this neurofibroma can occur along the distribution of the spinal nerves. So the extradural or intramedullary spinal tumors or the neurofibromas are very common, and that neurofibromas will put compression on the spinal nerves. Then this neurofibroma can occur along the distribution of course of cranial nerve also. So when the neurofibroma occur along the distribution of this cranial nerve, then that will cause neurological deficit or the neurological complications. So these are the sites. So this neurofibroma will occur along the course or distribution of cranial nerves, spinal nerves and peripheral nerves. Peripheral nerves included are vagus nerve, ulnar nerve and the cutaneous nerve. Then the types.